guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I made over $500 today by swing trading stocks. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. On top of that, exciting news, we have a brand new swing trading course. And I know when people think of YouTubers selling a course, they cringe, but I'm telling you, this is different. We talk about strategies, how I trade, how I've traded full time for 6 years now, and the strategies I use. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. I'll put it down below. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So check it out. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. Now, before we talk about my strategy, I want to put this out there right now and be completely clear. I've been swing trading full time for 6 years. And if you're just getting started, I wouldn't recommend you guys even start trading for at least a year. I would focus on education and paper trading. Make that strategy, start that process of learning. You know, it's like a doctor trying to become a doctor or an engineer trying to become an engineer. It takes practice, hard work, and education. And if you expect to make money quick, trading is not the right thing for you. I would rather see you guys go to the casino and put money, on roulette than trying to trade. Trading, you have to have an edge. And yes, you can fund a Robinhood account and start making trades today, but in order to do it successful for a lifetime is going to take education. So guys, I just wanted to put that out there. Let's dive into the trades that I made. Alrighty, so the broker that I use for all of my swing trading is going to be Moomoo. And yes, I do have a small account that I'm growing. If you guys have been following the channel, that I've been using Robinhood, but for like 95% of my trades, I do use Moomoo just because I understand their charting, scanning, all that stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, the first stock that we traded today was RMBS. Now, like I said, it's swing trading, so it's not day trading. So I'm still in on this position, but I'm still up, about 5% on my money. And honestly, the strategy I used is really, really simple. Looking at the chart, what do you guys notice? Heavy support, meaning heavy buying pressure near and around the $6 or $63.57 mark. Anywhere from this price all the way to about 61. And looking here is what we notice is old resistance has a tendency to act as new support, as well as this blue line, which is the 90-day moving average line coming in contact. So we took a trade on that 90-day moving average line because of support, because moving average lines act as support, as well as that very, very hard price at about, that 63, 61 mark. So right in here, understanding support on the price, support on the moving average line. So we took a trade and we're already up, about 5%. Stock number 2 that we are in is Adobe. Obviously, Adobe has that beautiful upward trend, which we always love to see, as well as very similar to RMBS. It has heavy support on those moving average lines. So you guys will see it comes in contact, 2 times, once, twice, and then recently near and around, this $576 mark. So we took a trade. I really think we'll see some sell-off, see some resistance at about $600, just because it kind of formed a little resistance and it does have some old support. Now, just like how we mentioned, here is old resistance act as new support. Here it's the complete opposite. Old resistance, will act as new support. So also, or old support will act as new resistance, excuse me. So, that's why we hopped in on this one. I think we'll see a move from 576 to about $600. Now the next stock that we are in is Blink. This one's up. It was up about 12% today, but it does look like we got some sell-off this afternoon. You guys can kind of see that it was up about 12% earlier today. And the reason why we took a trade on this one is as we zoom in here, what do you guys notice? This one here does have some support near and around this $2.77 mark, and we got great buying pressure. The thing about this one is we did set our stop loss a little tighter. And the reason why is because it just does have that general downward trend, which we don't love to see. So you just got to be mindful of that and just adjust your stop loss and your profits accordingly. Now, the thing about this is we already took profits on BLNK. You want to know why? base hits, 7% in a single day. I'll take profit every single day at 7%. 7% compounded every day is going to be a ton of money. And the thing about it is I've never lost money taking profit. So I'm very, very happy with this trade. Textbook support, we do have some resistance, but it's already up 8%. Obviously, if we held for this resistance up here, this would be a return of about 40%. And you could do like a trailing stop loss or something like that. So, yeah. The next one here that we took a trade on was Palantir. Palantir was a trend support. So you guys will see it does have that nice yellow line here, which acts as a trend indicator. So you guys can see it comes in contact several times. We took a trade near and around the $16.16 mark, $16.16. It's already up about 5%. Great move. I think we'll see some resistance at that 90-day moving average line at about 17, as well as about $18 right here. So great trades. I'm super excited to see where all these end up panning out, but we're already up handsomely on this trade. We do have another one here on LI, but I think we'll see a little more buying pressure start stepping in. So we'll probably do this one tomorrow. But yeah, great day in the market today, guys. So hope you guys all enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course where we talk about how to find these stocks. So guys, we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.